Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You open Viber and go straight to the chat where you want to send audio. Once there, press and hold the microphone icon at the right side of the message box. This starts recording instantly. Speak clearly and keep the phone steady. If you see a permission prompt, grant microphone access now. Without it, you cannot record. If you need to cancel before sending, slide your finger away from the mic icon to discard the clip. Otherwise, release to proceed. Once you release the mic, Viber may show a preview of your voice message. Tap play to check timing and clarity. If you prefer hands-free, hold and slide up to lock recording. This lets you speak without holding the screen. Make sure background noise is low and speak toward the mic. If something's off, delete and re-record. There's no long editing suite, so short, focused takes work best. When satisfied, tap the send arrow to deliver the clip. After reviewing, tap send and watch for the delivered check marks. A played indicator appears when recipients listen. If sending fails, make sure you have internet connectivity. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Also confirm Viber has microphone and storage permissions in system settings. If you still cannot record or files are corrupt, force close the app, update to the latest version, or reinstall Viber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.